Hello everyone. If you are new here, just click subscribe, share to everyone around the globe. So we shall be looking. We are here at Ikanombe. We have a house that has 4 rooms, one kitchen inside. So we shall be looking then check out everything that is inside. It's a big house. It's nice in nice neighborhood. It's Kanombe. It's 1,000 meters from the tarmac. So I can show you the neighborhood. It's nice. A beautiful environment where you can breathe the oxygen. So we're going in the house. So I'll be showing you each room. See the compound, beautiful garden. So this is the house. The gate there, it's a way out for the maid. So I'll be showing each and everything. It's a beautiful garden in front of the house. It has a big space that can accommodate three big cars. So here you can put a chair and breathe beautiful oxygen here around. So this is the veranda. So I'm going into the house. This is, even the lighting is nice. This is the living room. A big space. The living room. This is the living room. A big space. Dining. This is the night dining. Sorry for disturbance. I'm just telling him to just switch on the light so everybody can see it well. So this is the first room next to the living room. So this is the toilet, latrine. Latrine for this room. And then so we are going to the second room. So this is the second room. So 2 rooms share one latrine. So that room I have showed to you, it shares this latrine with this room. This is the third room. So we are going into the owner's room, if I can say that. This is dressing room for the owner's room. So this is the latrine for the owner. So we are going into his or her room. This is the owner's room. You can see the lighting. It is so beautiful as well. So we are going directly way out to the kitchen. So as I told you, this is the dining. So in the way out here is a kitchen inside. The kitchen is inside. We also have the kitchen outside. So we're switching on the light so everybody can see it. So this is the kitchen. So we are going to look out the kitchen. So we are now out. So this is the kitchen out. This is the maid house, maid room. So you can see back at the house. The kitchen outside, and then we have also stock out. This is the stock. This is the latrine for the maid. So that's the way out. They get the way out for the maid, so they don't have to collide with the owner. They do have their way out. So this is the back of the house. The house in the mirror, it's neighbor. It's neighbor, don't mind about it. It's house for the neighbors. So as I told you, it says it's settled up, built in nice neighborhood where you can have maybe people to have a conversation with. So I'm trying to show you all parts of the house. This is the tile outside. And this gate enters to the main, to the owner, to the room of owner. When you pass outside. So this is the veranda. Also, this veranda directs you to the owner of the house, to the room of the owner of the house. So for me, I love this beautiful nature, beautiful garden. So the house needs 80,100,000 francs. When you convert into dollars, it's 80,000. It's $80,000, but it's negotiable. So if you want a house, you can check it out in the description below. There is my number, WhatsApp number, call, so I can definitely direct you where the house it is. So I thank you for the support, I thank you for the views, thank you for the everything. So don't hesitate to ask me, then I'll give you full details and the location. For those people who are outside, so you can link me somebody who is here around, or you can come by your own. So I will show you where the house it is. It's affordable. It's a big house. It's big, in a big compound. Thank you.